Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Leaf Bass Wireless Headphones or the Leaf Wireless Headphones. Leaf is a fairly new brand, and look at the box. It's a nice combination of blue and grey. Let me turn around the box. Of course, we have some details about what it's compatible with, so don't worry, it's compatible with iOS and Android. You can also use the aux cable that you get inside for non-stop music, just in case you don't want it to be wireless. And then you've got some details about of course, what's the story of Leaf Bass Wireless Headphone. It was born out of the love for an immersive music experience. Here you've got some details about warranty, registration, technical specifications of the Bluetooth headphone. Very, very interesting to point out at this point in time that the music playback is of 10 hours. Let's quickly unbox this. So nothing is inside. I'm going to keep it aside for a bit. This is how the product looks like. I'm going to give you a nice close look of the product. It's matte to touch. This is plastic, so not very heavy. You've got little logo bands on either sides of the headphone, and of course you get these nice padded ear cups to operate. And here you have option of putting in the aux cable. This is the charging cable, and of course these are buttons to navigate through your song list, going back, play and pause, and of course increasing volume and going forward. And then inside this little packet you get an aux cable, just in case you don't want to use it wirelessly, like this. And then you've got a charging cable. And of course, user manual and Leaf reward. Very, very interesting to know that you get 5% off. You just have to go to the link, fill in this form, and you have to mail the invoice on this. So you will get 500 rupees off on this product. The user manual, very, very important to note that you have to go through the full user manual to be able to know how to access various functions of the device. And of course, I might be giving you some details about what the top features are, but I think this user manual is very important from that point of view as well, because it gives you the other details as well, some of the functions which I may have missed out what existed. So play, pause, up and down, volume up and down, next song, last song, all of these controls, answer call and end call. Very, very interesting that you don't have to reach out to your pocket to access your mobile phone, because you can now access your calls, control your calls, answer or end calls using this device. So some other details about power on and off, charging, Bluetooth pairing, how to use the aux cable, playback control, call controls, and of course troubleshooting, some FAQs, certifications, specifications, and customer support details given right here. So that's all that I have for you in this unboxing video. This is all that you get with the Leaf wireless headphones, which are known for their bass. The brand is promoting that they have a lot of bass in them. But it's not just listening to music. You can also take and reject calls using this wireless piece of headphone. So that's all from me. Hope you liked it as much as I did putting it together.